Hey everybody, this is Dr. Kubin. I'm the course manager for Nurs 4022, the Nursing Practice Integration 2 course. And as you all know, this is a new course that we have put into the curriculum in hopes that you are going to be getting more hands-on practice in addition to your clinicals that are going to help to facilitate your development to get ready for practice by the time you graduate. These are designed to give you more deliberate, targeted skills that you need to help get you ready for graduation. So not just psychomotor skills, but problem solving skills, clinical judgment skills, the things that you need to get out there and be ready to jump into the role of the nurse. So we're really looking forward to this. I think it's going to be a great course this semester. So I kind of just wanted to walk you through the Canvas shell so that you kind of have an idea of what's going on. So this is the home page. So when you first come in, this is what you're going to see. You've got these different links here that are going to take you to the Start Here, which is going to take you to different policies. These course policies that are listed here I took directly out of the syllabus, but these are some of the more targeted things that I really wanted to bring your attention to. You'll find them, like I said, also in the syllabus. So what, like the policies about late work, attendance, also kind of expectations. So this is kind of an evidence-based expectation that for every 1 credit hour course that you're taking, you can expect to spend 3 to 4 hours of time outside of class. So either doing prep work or study work outside of class. I gave you a link to this time management calculator, which is actually a really fabulous resource where you can put in everything from how much time you're in class to sleeping and eating to help manage your time. So I recommend you actually check this out and try to use it. So that's the resources there. The syllabus link obviously takes you to your syllabus. The main thing I'll point out, I want you guys to obviously read all of that, but in there you will find the class assignments, and it will talk about the new evaluation tool. I know that you guys are used to the evaluation tool. We've been using the clinical evaluation tool. We're going to be using a new tool, and you will be oriented to that new tool and how it works. So 70% of your grade in this course will be from observation using that new tool, and then 30% of it will be in course-specific assignments. So the assignments that you're going to be evaluated on in this course are listed in the syllabus as well, so you can check that out. And then this course information, I'm going to click on that so you can kind of see this. It's going to talk to you a little bit about how we're using competency-based education, what that means, and how that kind of works for this course. And then there's a couple of things that are very crucial here. And that is the fact that I need for you to read and sign these 3 documents. One is a photo release. One is a confidentiality agreement, and one is the fiction contract. And this is new for any of you who have been doing simulation before. This fiction contract is a new thing, and basically what it's saying to you is that you are agreeing that when you come and participate in simulation, you are agreeing that you are going to treat simulation as if it were a real clinical situation. We do not have mannequins, we have patients, and we will treat our simulated patients as if they were real patients. We're going to talk to them like they were real patients. We will behave in front of them as we would any real patient. We're not going to laugh and giggle. We're not going to say inappropriate things. And then say, well, if this was a real patient, I would do blah, blah, blah. We're not going to say those kind of things because we're going to behave as if they are real patients. Also, that being said, we're going to remember that this is a safe space. so that we can learn and we can make mistakes and we can say, well, I don't know the answer to this. I think it might be this, but we can be wrong and not be judged for, oh no, that's a terrible answer. Like we are not going to behave that way as faculty, by, and peers. Your peers are also going to not be like, oh my God, they're so dumb. We're not going to do that. We can be wrong. We can make guesses. We can say, well, I don't know, but maybe I would look at this, or things like that, and not be afraid to be wrong, because we're here to learn. So I think so read the fiction contract and sign that. And if you have questions, please feel free to ask me about that. The modules are set by week. So each module is a week of the semester. And so you can see what the topics are each week, and what's going on there. I will say it's 14 weeks, right? We're going to be here all semester. We're coming in. Right now, you're only going to see 6 because we are still under construction. But each module is going to be set up where you've got an overview. And in that overview, it tells you what the focus is for the week. It tells you what the objectives are. And then it goes through the readings. This first one, don't panic. But it's got a lot. But remember, when we're talking about competency-based, you decide what you need to read and how you need to do this. So you've got readings, but you've also got videos. So do you want to read? Do you want to watch a video? Do you want to do both? Maybe you work and you already know how to set up a section. So you're not going to read that part. You're going to skip that part because, well, I know that. Now, you're free to do what you need to do to prep for this. Just remember that you are responsible for this content and you are responsible for knowing how to demonstrate this when you come to lab. The activities, anything that you need to do either to prep or to do in lab will be here, and then the assignment. So if you have an assignment for that week or that module, it will be listed here. And it will link you to the assignment so you can see what the requirements are for the assignment. The other thing that's going to be listed in the module is going to be a schedule, because every week the schedule is going to look a little bit different depending on what activities we're doing every week. So the schedule will be listed here as well. So you can see during week 1, this is what the schedule will look like. These are all the stations we're doing. And if you want to know what these numbers mean, come down here and it tells you what the group numbers are. So I think that's the main gist of what's happening in this course. Again, like I said, if you have questions, my contact information is all over here. This is me. And it's also in the syllabus. So we look forward to this semester. I can't wait. I think this is going to be great for y'all, and we will see you soon.